family and friends of Rebecca and Marc, welcome to their wedding ceremony this beautiful summer afternoon. Here, overlooking Vineyard Sound at Windsong, the summer home of the bride's family. It is fitting that you are here, the family and friends who are closest to the bride and groom.
Those of you who were with us last night heard our son Daniel talk about this spot where our family has been coming since Rebecca was 1 year old, since before the boys were born. It is the place that they have spent virtually all of their summers and large parts of their lives. Obviously that house wasn't there when we got here. There was a little cottage, but the spot is the same, and it has so many memories for our family, and so we are so happy that all of you could be with us here tonight.
She has always chosen adventure over comfort and challenge over passivity and passion over convention. And now she's chosen love, and she's chosen to love someone so completely, who loves her completely in return, and I think that that is an act of bravery in and of itself.
I specifically remember a quality about Marc that he's a great guy, loyal friend. He's a friend that is not here today, gone tomorrow, that he keeps up with his friends at all times.
You know, I was thinking about last night, and I think that's something that I'll always look back on and be grateful for. Because I got to not only make an amazing new friend, but I got to witness my best friend fall in love with such an amazing woman.
Your presence at this wedding celebration reminds them how lucky they are to share this important day in their lives with those who are most important to them. It means so much that family and friends from places all over the world, from Belgium to Burundi and across the U.S., have come to their wedding.
I, Marc, take you, Rebecca, to be my wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish
from this day forward,
till death do us part.
until death do us part.
I take you with all of your faults and your strengths.
As I offer myself to you with all of my faults and strengths,
I will help you when you need help.
and I will turn to you when I need help.
I choose you as the person with whom I will spend my life.
I promise to love you unconditionally,
To support you in your goals, to honor and respect you,
to laugh with you and cry with you,
and to cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
and to cherish you for as long as we both shall live.
I've been in Becca's circle for a long time, but it's been a separate and wonderful rite of passage to become a member of the community that is built by them as a couple. And the love that this community is beaming out to them is directly proportional to what they have put out, embracing the people around them with open hearts.
And thank you, Becca, for giving me the most incredible friendship that people hope to have in their lifetimes, and that we read about in books, and that I think has been much more transformative than any fictional friendship I know of.
Most importantly, can see the way that Marc makes her happy and fulfills her, and how well they are together. And so we really want to wish them the very best, and a long life of happiness, fulfillment, and a purpose.
He is fiercely loyal and incredibly kind and brave and smart and thoughtful. And I'm so happy that Becca has found someone with those qualities who is her true equal. And I wish you both a lifetime of so much adventure, so much happiness and love. And I am certain that as long as you're together, you will never be ordinary.
Are now linked together forever. And what I hope for you is that you keep living as fiercely and as passionately and with as little regard for obstacles or for country borders or for impossibilities. I know the courage and bravery and determination that has cleaved you together will power you through your lives together, and we will too. The community that you've created around you. Congratulations to Marc and Rebecca.